finally made it. Thank you very much for clicking on that link and checking out my site. Now, my name is Joey Kissimmee, for those of you that don't know me, and I invited you here to share a few things with you. Now, before I do, I want to ask you one question. What's one thing that's missing from this website? Actually, there's a few things. What's a few things that are missing from this website that you usually see from other websites? That's right. You're missing the cars, you're missing big houses, all the money flying around, and all the glamour and glitter that comes along with that. Now, folks, along my internet marketing career, I've learned many things, but there's one very important thing that I've learned. You really don't need all that crap. I mean, that's all hype and nonsense, man. I mean, really. Okay? Now, I've made just as much money with a site just like this than those sites that I do have those monies and the cars and the big houses. Now, folks, people need to see that. Some people do. But the majority, they just want to get straight to the point. They want to see what you can do for them and how you can show them to make some money. Okay, that's really, they don't need all that stuff. The majority of the people you're going to come across just want to get straight to the point. Okay, now, I want to go ahead and share with you a few cool things that this system really has, other than the no hype and the no nonsense, which is big. Okay, I want you to notice one thing. Right above, okay, and across this website, you're going to see your name. Hopefully I've spelled it right. If not, then, I'm sorry, okay? But anyways, you're going to see your name right there, folks. Now, there's this little variable code that goes inside this script here, this whole website thing, that allows me to do that, okay? Now, you're probably receiving this through my email, okay? And if you have, then I put a little code in there, and it makes it real personal, folks. Okay, there's other people right now watching this very same website, and it may say Bill, it may say Joe Schmo, Billy Bob Thornton, or something. Okay, folks. But that little variable right there, folks, it's a personalized type of thing. Okay, it makes it personal. It makes it real interactful with me and you. Okay, it's like I'm talking straight to you. All right. Now that's very powerful, folks. That little personal one-on-one interactful type of thing, that's very powerful. That's another thing that I've learned along my career here on the internet. Okay? A lot of people are trying to over there shove the business down your throats here. This is the best thing. This is the best thing here, folks. I mean, come on, cut all that. Okay? Right there, that's one of the cool things that I wanted to show you. Now, I don't know if you guys know about SEO marketing or any of that, all that stuff, right? Well, in my classes that I teach, we deal with a lot of keywords and long tails and short tails and stuff like that, right? Well, right there, that's not only the personal name thing is cool, but you could actually change the text around to target specific keywords. Now, there's an exercise that I want you guys to do. If you haven't read the instructions yet, or if you haven't did the exercise yet, don't do it just yet, because what will happen is if you refresh, you'll start all over with the stupid video and you'll have to see the whole thing again. Okay? But do it after the video's done. But right up there, there's a set of instructions that shows you, how to do it, but I'm going to go ahead and tell you anyways. Right above, all the way at the top, I want you to look at the top at the link, okay, at the URL, right there in the address bar. Now, all the way at the end, okay, you're going to notice this coding that says S1 equals, and it should say your name, okay, whether it be Joe or Bill or whatever. Okay, there'll be like a little question mark, S1 equals, and your name. Okay, well, here's the exercise, and I want you to see how powerful this one little variable, that's it. This one little variable, how powerful it is, okay? And then throughout the system, you're going to see how powerful it is and how it could, help you. But anyways, here's the exercise. Right after that equal sign, okay, I want you to go ahead and erase that, okay, and put any word that comes to mind. I mean, anything. It could be cats and dogs, helicopters, cars, airplanes, Madonna, whatever you want. Okay, or it could even be a phrase. All right. Now, make sure, this is very important. Okay, this is the only way that it'll work. make sure you leave. It has to say S1 equals, and then whatever you want. Whatever you want, okay? Now here's what you'll notice. Everywhere you see your name at, okay, I want you to notice wherever you see your name, you're going to see it change to whatever word you choose to put in there. Okay, folks? Now it may not mean a lot to you now, but when we start training you and we start explaining to you in depth how powerful and how lethal this one little weapon, this arsenal is, okay, you can literally double, even triple your leads, your opt-ins coming in, and even your conversions. Very powerful, folks. I'm going to go ahead and end this video right now, and so you guys can go ahead and do that little exercise so you can see how cool it is. I'm telling you, trust me, folks, it's awesome. It's a bomb. Now, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to opt in to my own website because I want to go ahead and go to the next page, okay? And after you're done doing that exercise, go ahead and opt in, folks, okay? Put your information down below. Now, please, don't try to be slick and try to put any old gibberish just to go on the other side, okay? Because you're gonna get some pretty cool things. You're gonna get some free tutorials, free videos, free stuff. You know, free training that could help you with whatever you're doing. You're gonna get some pretty cool stuff. So, folks, just go ahead in there and put your real information. You could always, if you don't like it, just go ahead and unsubscribe, okay? But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and put my information in. I'm going to opt in and go to the other side. So hopefully you do the same thing, and I'll meet you on the other side, okay? See ya. Oops, wrong email. There it goes. Now, folks, if you're still here, hopefully you're doing your exercise, okay? And, well, if you did your exercise and you refresh, you probably won't be even seeing this part here. But if you are, you got too much time on your hands. Alright, there you go. Boom. Free instant access. Alright, I'm still waiting for you. I see my name there. Joey, welcome to the Six-Figure Blueprint. That's where you should see your name, and welcome to the Six-Figure Blueprint. Thank you for subscribing, blah, blah, blah. In another video. I still don't see ya. That's it. Seriously, that's it. This is it, folks. If you're still here, then, I mean, seriously, there's some issues. Either you got too much time, or you got too much, something. Do the exercise. Do the damn exercise, folks, or go out there and opt in. That's all. I want to see you on the other side. Come on. I know you're not here. I know you're still there because wow. Anyways. Well, if you're still here, then obviously you're not interested, and or you're either making a lot of money and you're just here to check me out. You're bored, or this is hilarious or something. So, anyways.